Well, the extradition request is not yet there. Besides the judicial processes that Olo Kibuloy is going to have to go through now, locally, still have to be done. Because we have, what has been done is that we have implemented and enforced an arrest warrant that was issued by the court. And therefore, it is now within the court's hands. Wala na sa executive ito. Kami sa executive, ang ginawa lang namin, in-implement lang namin, in-enforce lang namin ang order ng court. So that is the situation now. We will have to look at that. But for the moment, hindi extradition ang tinitignan natin. Ang tinitignan natin ay yung mga kaso na mga complaint na pinila dito sa Pilipinas. At yun muna ang kailangan niyang harapin.